Nick here, and it's time to spatchcock a turkey. We're going to cut out the backbone, so get a good set of poultry shears and cut on both sides of the spine. It'll take some effort to get through the bones. We can also do this at Lake Geneva Country Meats to save you some time. While it's a little more work, the end result will be a turkey that cooks evenly, cooks faster than normal turkey methods, and is really delicious. One tip, get a 12 to 14 pound bird. It's pretty hard to do anything bigger. Once the backbone's gone, go ahead and save it for gravy or toss it. Dry the turkey of any juice on the inside and then season the inside with salt and pepper. Once the inside is seasoned, flip it over and it's now time to crack the breastbone. Do this by pushing down hard with the palm of your hand on the breast. You'll hear and feel a crack. Line a baking sheet with foil and place slices of lemon, onion, and fresh herbs on the sheet. Place a wire rack on top of the sheet and put the bird breast side up on the rack. Tuck the wingtips under the breast and stick the legs facing out. I always remove the pop-up thermometer, they're unreliable and not needed. Season your bird with salt and pepper or your favorite seasoning rub, and now it's time to roast the bird. Put the bird in an oven at 450 degrees for about 7 minutes per side. We want the breast to be 165 degrees when we pull it out. Doesn't that look beautiful? Perfectly golden and evenly cooked throughout. This is an awesome way to make a turkey, and takes a little bit of work, but we really recommend it. Once it's done, let it rest for 15 minutes, then you can go ahead and serve. Enjoy. We think you're going to love it.